Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the Wi-Fi when it's not working on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So the first thing we need to do is to run a command to ping for errors. We must know first if it's a software or hardware error. So for that, we need to open the run command and just simply make a right click here in the Windows icon, select the run option. And then from here, we need to type the command ping space 127.1.1.1 space hyphen t. Again, it's ping space 127.1.1.1 space hyphen t. Now, once you're done typing this one, just please click on enter. And then just wait for the results. So it's now checking for software or driver errors. And if the ping test doesn't provide results, then you need to go to network and internet settings. So let me just close this one. And you can do that simply by going to the control panel. So please make a search here in the Windows search tab control panel. And then we need to go to the network and internet option. So if you're not getting the same kind of window just like this one, just go with the view by options and select the category. So once you're already getting this kind of window, just proceed with network and internet option. Proceed with network and sharing center. And then here in the left pane, just select this change adapter settings. And all you need to do is just to go to the Wi-Fi or the network connection that you're connected with, and then we need to enable it. So if you're seeing a grayed out option here, that means your network connection is disabled. So if you're seeing an option just like that, all you need to do is just to enable it, and you can do that simply by making a right click on that and then click on this enable button. So let me just quickly do that. So if you're seeing that this is disabled, or if it's grayed out, that means it's disabled. Now all you need to do is just to make a right click on that and then select this enable button for it to be enabled, and then just wait for the enabling process to be done. And so once the network connection is already enabled, we can now move on with the next step, which is to network reset or reset the network. So go to network reset and click on reset now. So we can do that simply by going to the settings and proceed with this network and internet option here. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings, proceed with network reset option, and then if you click on this reset now button and click on yes, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So once you're done doing this one, you can confirm by signing out, then restart the device. Okay, so if it doesn't still fixes the issue, then we can also proceed with the next step, which is to go to the device manager and update our driver. So just close this one, close all these windows here, and then make a make a right click here in the Windows icon and proceed with device manager option. And then here we need to go to the scan for hardware changes option, this icon here. And if you're not seeing this one, all you need to do is just to select one option and then select this action tab, click on the scan for hardware changes option. And if the Wi-Fi drivers are missing or outdated, all you need to do is just to update it. So let me just quickly look for wireless option here in my network adapters. Once you have found it, just please make a right click on that and then click on this update driver option, and then select the browse my computer for drivers and click on let me pick. Here, select the previous driver, not the latest one to install. So if it's only needed, Then you can select the previous driver to install. After installation, just restart the device, and after restarting, check if the Wi-Fi is now visible and you can now connect to the internet. Okay, so after restarting, see if the Wi-Fi issue is now resolved. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.